Hi guys, in the past few days there has been heavy flooding in the western part of Europe. Okay, where at least 125 people are dead so far and over 1400 missing. So there was heavy flooding in countries like Germany, Belgium, Switzerland and Holland. And people has been killed and missing in those countries. As I said, so far 125 is dead and over 1400 is missing. It has happened mainly in Germany, Belgium, Holland and Switzerland. So there was flooding, landslide, building has been collapsing and so on. Okay, you guys can do your own research on Google. Okay, you guys must have read it by now. Now guys, see what I dreamed on the 17th of July. Meaning like months to months 1 year ago. The title is 2000 people dead, and I'll let you guys read the rest. I dream it that around 2000 people will be killed in a landslide, but I thought it will happen in Asia. I did not get a clue that this was going to happen in Europe. In fact, it has happened in Europe, in western part of Europe. So guys, I knew it somewhere somehow that such an amount of people is going to die due to some natural calamity. And it has happened exactly the same thing, guys. Okay, thank you for watching and please share it. Very important you guys share it and give me a thumbs up if you guys like my video.